Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, December 2nd. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT, and today we're going to be looking at the chart of the S&P 500. This is SPX, which is S&P 500 cash. 30 minutes chart here. So what we see here is we ended this with 1 over here. Okay, now this with 1 here is a larger degree. This is a larger degree label here. This one here is a cycle degree. Okay, so this is rather a large degree cycle here, which is the cycle degree, and now we are doing that large cycle degree with 2, and the with 2 should be in 3711 swing. So far we can see the pullback is a 1 2 3 4 5 ending A, and then this is your B, and then we sold off again pretty sharply. Now we're looking for an ABC that will end the W, so we're looking for a bigger degree correction here now, in which the first leg, which is your W, is still in progress right now as a zigzag, right? Now, this short-term target on the downside can be measured this way. So if you measure ABC equal leg, then we should be looking for minimum 44.71 all the way to 43.59. So that is in the shorter cycle. So the expectation is for the downside for now, minimum 44.71, right? Now, what can be the alternate, right? Now, first of all, let's take a look at the zooming out the S&P. This is the daily chart, and we're calling this to be with 1 in the cycle degree here, right? So if this is with 1 right here, so that with 1 here is actually the entire cycle from March 2020 here. So we kind of ended the cycle now and looking to correct larger degree. It's been almost 2 years, the rally since we bottom in the COVID-19 crash over here, right? So now we're looking for larger degree pullback, and the pullback should be in 3711 swing. The first 3 waves is in progress right now with minimum 44.71. Now another possibility here is the idea that the pullback actually is not in 3 waves. So this could have been with 1, and this could have been with 2, and if this is the way, right, if this is actually in the right count, then we can go down very sharp all the way to 1.618, right? We can go down very sharp to 1.618 like so, something like this, just to give you an idea. And that should be a 3, and then you got a bounce of 4, and then another leg lower of 5, right? And that 5 waves down, that 5 waves down, it could be only ending your A in black. Okay, so it depends on the structure of the pullback, whether the structure wants to take shape of a ABCWX and then another ABC, or it wants to take shape as a 1 2 3 4 5. If it takes the form of a 1 2 3 4 5, then we can sell off even sharper than this, right? Even more so. And we will see for the downside if it is a 5 ways until we finish with 5 as an A, a bigger A. So you can imagine here we are close to this trend line, so it makes sense to think that okay, we might get some sort of support right there, right? So going back here in the primary view, calling for a simple ABC, not a 1 2 3 4 5, right? So something like this. So that means going back to the daily time frame to give you an idea. So this is your W as an ABC, and then you got an X, and then you got a Y. So remember, WXY is a double zigzag, right? ABC, ABC. So we can get something like this. Possibility, right? And again, because if we are correcting this entire rally, then we got plenty of space on the downside. As you can see, doesn't need to. I mean, the degree can keep changing. We can even be ending W here, X like this, and then Y. So it can keep going down because we are correcting this entire decline. But the correction should be in 3-7-11 swing. So it could be like this before turning up, or it could be like this, depending on how shallow it is. But potential is there for bigger correction here for sure, right? But for now, we're calling it this way. And even this one, it depends whether this is really ABC, ABC. Another possibility, like we talk about, is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If so, we're just gonna be dropping straight like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, right? And that 5 ways is gonna be only ending A, and then you got a B followed by more downside EC. Okay, so there are a couple of possibilities, alternates, and so on, right? So what are we supposed to do then? Well, it's pretty simple, because the chart of the day is only mainly concerned about the short-term cycle, not really thinking about what you're going to be doing in the larger time frame, right? So short term is very simple. Short term is more downside, minimum 44.70. That's it. That's the short term expectation, which is what chart of the day is all about, the shorter cycle. 44.70 is the minimum, with a possibility we can, I mean, if this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can go as low as 43.54 if this is becoming a wave 3 to the downside. Okay, so that is the update on the S&P. And for regular updates on the S&P or other indices, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is provided in the description. And I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.